Welcome back to our channel Contemporary Wood Furniture Ideas. Today we are diving into sleek modern designs that refined how to leak about modern furniture. Contemporary wood pieces are all about clean lines, minimalist and functionality, blending nature texture with modern aesthetic. We will explore innovative uses of wood to nature, from striking geometric shapes to subtle finishes that enhance any space. Whether you are looking to add a touch of sonification to your living room to create a cozy, stylish bedroom, that contemporary wood ideas that inspire you, elevate your home with the timeless. A nature wood, from sleek minimalist designs to bold geometric shapes, contemporary wood furniture transform any space into sonificated heavens. Imagine clean lines, these textures, and innovative from that lighting unique character to wood while seamlessly fitting into modern interiors. Whether you are drawn to warm from creating a space that both stylish and functions, stay tuned as we explore stunning designs, practical tips, creative inspiration to elevate your home with the elegance of contemporary wood furniture. Craftsmanship meets modern designs. In today's videos, we dive into the sleek lines, minimalist form, innovative use of wood that defined how to link about nature, from elegant modern coffee tables with geometric precise or versatile modular shelving units blend seamlessly into space. Contemporary wood furniture marries functionality with the aesthetic appeal. Discover how to nature clean finish can transform your home, crafting sophisticated yet warmth environment. Stay tuned as we showcase stunning examples and provide tips to incorporating these stylish pieces in your decor. In today's episode, we dive into the innovative designs, blend modern aesthetic with timeless charm to wood. Imagine sleek lines, minimalist form, and warm nature used to be coming together to create a functional art of your homes. We will showcase stunning pieces that refine elegance and practicity, from clutch coffee tables to elegant dining sets. As you are looking to refresh your space to make a bold display, this contemporary wood furniture ideas will inspire you to transform your interior with a style and sophistication. Contemporary wood furniture, where timeless craftsmanship meets modern designs, maiden sticks, minimalist lines, nature woods finish that evolve to sonification to any space, from clean geometric coffee tables, elegant multifunctional storage solutions. Contemporary wood furniture emphasizes simplicity and functionality without compromise on style. We will dive into innovative designs that are sustainable wood and cutting edge techniques to create space for both practical and visual stunning. Whether you are looking to refresh your living rooms or add a bit beauty or versatility of contemporary wood furniture, stay tuned. More exciting designs, lighting, and tips. Contemporary wood furniture is all about clean lines, minimalist rooms, innovative use, nature materials. Think of smooth, polished surface and geometric shapes that bring a modern touch of any space. Whether you are stylish coffee tables, hidden storage, sculpture, bookshelves, wood wall art, minimalist dining tables with unique wood grain patterns. Contemporary wood furniture seamlessly blends functionality with elegance. Join us for inspiring ideas to showcase with versatility of wood. Nature beauty of wood seamlessly integrated into your living space. space from elegant wooden coffee tables serve as both functional and stylish centerpieces to versatile modular shelving units that adapt to your needed contemporary wood furniture, bring a fresh, sophisticated look to any rooms. Our designs highlighting warmth of nature, wood grains, elegance with innovative finish and cutting-edge techniques. Either you are redesigning your home, sleek, standout pieces, contemporary wood furniture, often a parallel blend to form and function. Modern designs, if you are right place, contemporary furniture blend plain lines, minimalist aesthetic with the timeless beauty of nature wood. Imagine a space where rich, warm tones contrast beautiful and sleek metals or glass elements, crafting frame house stylish environment from floating shelves and added touches modification to your walls, sculpture, coffee tables, surface focal points for your living rooms, contemporary wood furniture bring both functionality and elegance to your home. Join us, we dive into the world of inspiring space crafting, chic, innovative atmosphere in your living room.